to Robin's house. As you can see, I've got this pretty brown blocks here, and that means let's get together. So this kit is for Adventure Awaits, and it is super cute. I just love these old-fashioned cars. You can see the instruction sheet cover here. Three cute little cars with some colorful envelopes. And in this kit, it shows you, again, the cards. It's usually stacked differently, so you can see more of what's in here. But I tell you, everything you need to put this kit together is in this package. Awesome. So what did I make? I made this cute little truck. And I don't know if you can see, but there is vellum in this kit so that your windows remain see-through. How cool is that? And then here's another one, a little beach guy with some clear windows so you could see through them. And then, of course, this pretty blue one that doesn't need any because it is a convertible. So you can do all of your cards. So this creates 3 each of 3 card designs. So after I do my first one, I usually like to switch it up a little bit and do something different. So on this one, I cut off the card base. I cut the card base in half, so I have this pretty paper to use again. And I also created the little white outline because I like that. One other thing that I did is I added the Wink of Stella to the car because cars are metallic, right? So they should be shiny. And then on this card, there are actually some extra elements, some balloons, and an extra message so that you can change up a few of the designs to be more of a birthday card. And I loved it. And then here's another one. I use that birthday message again. It's the same, only different. And now it's a birthday card. So I hope you'll join me for Let's Get Kit Together this month. Give me a holler if you want to reserve this kit, or you can always choose one of the others that are in my collection. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.